Mars 1952 here. Got a quick tip for you. I run the bee yard for our local club, Buncombe County Beekeepers Club, and we got donated a whole bunch of frames like this. They're all wiggly and warped. It's fresh foundation, it just never got used, and I was on the verge of throwing it away, and I thought, well, I'll try to press it. So I've got this gizmo that I bought before I knew better. This is a jig for assembling frames. It's basically useless, but it works great for this because it allows the wax. This is actually for melting wire into your wax, into your frame. So, but this will allow the wax to set down on here flat, and I cut a piece of plywood. This happens to be the right size for shallow because I'm doing a bunch of those too. You press it in place. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Normally I'll do this with two hands. It only takes one press. See, it's starting to get flatter already. I do the other part. And, oh, I forgot to mention, you take the wax and you put it in the oven at 170 degrees. That's as low as mine will go. And it takes several minutes. I got a cook timer on mine. I just set the cook timer for 3 minutes. I put a box in there. It'll only hold an 8-frame box. A box full of wax. See, now that is usable now. The bees can straighten that out. I tried to use some of this that had the wavy comb, and they would, of course, the bees would follow the waviness, and it just did not work very well at all. But anyway, that one's ready to go. So that might save you some money.